Bolid Car Check is an advanced application designed for Android devices, aimed at helping users assess the condition and performance of their vehicles. This app equips car owners with essential tools to diagnose issues, track maintenance schedules, and monitor vehicle health. With a user-friendly interface, Bolid Car Check makes it easy to navigate through various features, providing access to diagnostic information and performance metrics. Key functionalities often include OBD2, onboard diagnostics, compatibility, allowing users to connect their smartphones to their vehicles, and retrieve real-time data on engine performance and error codes. The app also typically offers maintenance reminders, helping users stay on top of service intervals and repairs. Additionally, Bolid Car Check may provide users with insights into fuel efficiency and driving habits, promoting better vehicle management. Overall, it serves as a valuable resource for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, enabling them to maintain their vehicles effectively and ensure optimal performance.